Hey everyone! In 2025, the flip phone market is no longer the novelty it once was, but it remains a battleground for innovation. As some brands retreat from the segment, Samsung and Xiaomi push forward with their latest entries, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Xiaomi Mix Flip 2. Both devices seek to refine rather than reinvent, delivering feature-rich experiences within compact, foldable frames. Here's how they compare across critical categories. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is instantly eye-catching, sleek, and modern, with its re-engineered full-cover display and impressively light 188 grams frame. Samsung has refined the foldable form to feel more futuristic than ever, and its slim aluminum build, combined with IP48 water resistance, gives it a reassuring durability. Xiaomi, on the other hand, opts for subtlety. The Mix Flip 2's design remains nearly unchanged from its predecessor, retaining the flat metal sides and minimalist dual-circle camera array. At 199 grams, it's a bit heavier but still compact. Xiaomi focuses less on flashy redesigns and more on mechanical improvements, including a near-invisible crease, thanks to a redesigned hinge, a practical advantage that goes unnoticed until you experience it. Samsung's Flip 7 introduces a cover screen that nearly spans the entire front when folded, pushing the boundary on what a flip phone's outer display can offer. Apps are fully usable on this 4.1-inch AMOLED panel. The internal 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display is sharp and vibrant, though its 1080p resolution lags behind Xiaomi's higher density panel. Xiaomi's Mix Flip 2 uses a 6.86-inch LTPO AMOLED panel inside, with a sharper 1224 by 2912 resolution and an outer 4-inch AMOLED display that's bright, colorful, and useful for calls, notifications, and selfies. Both displays support 120 Hz refresh rates and peak brightness levels above 3000 nits, but Xiaomi's higher resolution and less intrusive crease elevate the viewing experience for longer reading or video sessions. Samsung's Flip 7 runs on the Exynos 2500, a chip that's efficient on paper but inconsistent in real-world use. Users have reported overheating and throttling during demanding tasks, with occasional slowdowns, even during casual use. Xiaomi sidesteps those issues with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the Mix Flip 2. It delivers stable, top-tier performance, balancing power with battery efficiency. Whether you're multitasking or lightly gaming, Xiaomi's hardware feels faster and cooler. Add UFS 4.1 storage and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the Mix Flip 2 clearly has the upper hand in raw performance and thermal consistency. Both phones offer similar main camera hardware, 50 megapixels wide lenses with OIS and PDAF. Samsung pairs its main shooter with a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, while Xiaomi uses a more substantial 50 megapixels ultra-wide, offering greater flexibility and detail in landscape and group shots. However, Xiaomi loses some ground by omitting any form of optical zoom, which Samsung also lacks, making both phones fall short in versatility compared to triple-camera flagships. But Xiaomi's ability to shoot 8K and Dolby Vision content, plus a 32-megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 video, gives it a technical edge for creators. Battery life is where Xiaomi makes a bold statement. The Mix Flip 2 packs a massive 5,165 mAh cell, the largest ever in a flip phone, and supports 67-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. Samsung's Flip 7, by comparison, offers only a 4,300 mAh battery. Despite efficiency improvements, it still struggles to last a full day for moderate users. Fast charging is limited to 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless, which feels outdated next to Xiaomi's specs. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 represent two distinct interpretations of the modern flip phone. Samsung's Flip 7 is playful, daring, and futuristic, with a revolutionary outer screen, premium feel, and a software experience that makes the most of its foldable design. but it is hindered by thermal issues, middling endurance, and performance inconsistencies. Xiaomi, meanwhile, plays it conservative with the Mix Flip 2's design but delivers meaningful upgrades where it counts. Superior battery life, more stable performance, better secondary camera hardware, and an improved hinge make it the more pragmatic and reliable choice, especially for those looking to avoid daily compromises. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the comparison. Have a nice day and see you soon.